In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code to Squarespace. QR codes are a fast, friendly way to guide visitors from your site to a menu, sign-up form, event details, a file, or any link you want them to reach without typing a URL. The setup is straightforward, and once your image is ready, you'll have it on your page in no time. First, make sure your QR code is ready and downloaded to your computer. Use a clear, high-contrast image. PNG format works great. And keep it square, so scanners can read it reliably. Higher resolution is better than too small. Something around 500 by 500 pixels or more helps keep edges crisp. Next, open your site in Squarespace and click Edit to enter editing mode. You'll see your page turn into an editable canvas with sections and content areas. Head to the page where you want your QR code to appear. This could be your home page for maximum visibility, your contact page for quick saves, or any other page that makes sense for your audience. Within that page, move to the exact section where the QR belongs. At the top right of that section, click Add Block. This opens the content picker, the hub where you select what kind of content you want to place. Because a QR code is simply an image that needs to display cleanly, choose the image block, then click Upload. Now, upload the QR code image you saved earlier. As soon as it's done, you'll see the QR appear right in the section you selected. That's the core of it. Your QR code is on your Squarespace site. A few quick best practices to keep it looking and working great. Make sure the QR code appears large enough to scan comfortably on both desktop and mobile, and keep plenty of breathing room around it so nothing interferes with those little squares. Avoid filters, overlays, or heavy effects that could reduce contrast, and don't stretch or distort the image. Keeping it perfectly square helps scanning accuracy. If the surrounding design is very busy, placing the QR where the background is simple can make it even easier to read, and that's all there is to it. With your QR code uploaded as an image block, visitors can scan it instantly and get right where you want them to go. It's a small addition that can remove friction and boost engagement. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of a scannable shortcut on your Squarespace site.